Hi, welcome to this Showit website tutorial. I'm Flo, one of the co-founders of Field Digital, and today I'm going to take you through how to install one of our website templates and get it all set up, ready to go with your colours, fonts, images and branding. So, to start off with, you'll need to go to your Showit website template setup guide that we will have sent you guys when you've purchased any of our templates, and then you need to go to here. So this link here will get you 1 month free of Showit on us, and you can also sign up for a 14-day free trial. So what you'll need to do is take this code here, so just highlight this here, copy this code, this is your template design key, and then you need to go to your Showit site. For this video I've set up a new account so you guys can see exactly what it will look like when you're installing a template for the first time. So then you'll want to go to Open Design App, and then on the top right hand corner you need to click Your Designs, add design to library and paste your share code in there you've copied. This will load up your template that you've purchased. You can see the mobile and desktop view, and then you want to add it to your site. You can see it here, and then click Start with this design. This is now loading the template into your Showit account. Okay, so this is what Showit looks like once you've logged in. On the left hand side here, you've got all of your settings for your site. So you've got your site settings, design settings and media library. We're just going to go through those now. So if we go into site settings here, you have your site name, your custom domain, which is your www, which you can connect here once you have purchased your Showit account. You have your favicon, which is the image when you open a web browser, and you've got some other settings there. Then you've got a blog, which you can connect up here. You've got third party, which can be your Google Analytics, and you've also got all of your social media accounts, which you can just drop in here, and then it will link it to the icons on your website. In the design settings, you've got your fonts and your colours, which will change in a minute for setting up this new template. And then you've got your media library here. I'm just going to add in some pictures of myself here so that you guys can see exactly what it will look like when you swap out the images on the template. So those are just all uploading. Right, and so this is the colours and the fonts that we've got at the moment with the template that we've given you guys. So what you need to do to change it to your own is to go into design settings. At the top here you've got the fonts. You want to work with the darkest colours first and then going to lighter. So let's just swap these up. I'm just going to pick some random colours. What colours do we want? Let's go with some orangey. Peachy colours. It's quite nice. And then maybe like a bluey colour. And then this one I'm just going to make white. And then fonts, on the left hand side here, you've got your title fonts, heading fonts, subheading and paragraph fonts. So you just want to go through this and change them here. To import any fonts from Google or your custom fonts, you need to go along to the font tab here, click font name, and you can have all of the Google fonts here. Or if you want to upload a custom font, you need to add it into your media library and then it will appear here. You need to make this a WOFF font file, and if you don't have one of those, you can just click this font squirrel link here and then you can make a font file there. Right, so let's just import a random font for the sake of this. Great. Save that. Design settings, fonts, and let's just swap some of the fonts over in here. I'm just going to pick some random ones for this, but import whichever fonts you want for your website. Okay, so to start off customizing, we're going to start with the home page. On the left hand side here, you have all of your pages then you have all of your blog pages, and then you have all of your site canvases. Site canvases are your headers and your footers and any sections on your website which carry across over more than one page. So, for example, if you go into menu here and you edit this site canvas, let's change the background colour to one of the new ones we've just picked. So let's go with this. Yeah, let's go with this pink. Once you edit this within your site canvas, as you see here, and you go through all the different pages, oh, it's just loading. As you can see here, as you go through all the different pages, your home, your about, your services, all of the colours on the site canvas will stay the same throughout the whole website. This is super helpful so that you don't need to go through and make changes to every single page. Right, so let's start customizing. So to edit any of the fonts, all you need to do is go to the right hand side here where you always have all of your settings, your text settings, your image settings, all of the individual settings come up here. So you can change your line height, you can change your letter spacing, you can pretty much change anything you want here, like your fonts. Let's change that. Oh, that is a weird looking font. Let's change that to this. You can add this in here. And then if you go to page here, you have all of the different canvases which make up the page. So if I wanted to change this blue section here, all I need to do is click the simple here, because that's what this is named. You could change this to make it bigger and smaller using the arrows, and you can change the colour over here. So let's make that orange for the sake of this video. And the other one is here. So those are all orange and we've changed the font. If you want to change any of the images, all that you need to do is double click one of the images and it will load in anything you've added to your media library there. If you want to change this moving text box, all you need to do is double click this. This is code, but if you go down to where here you see it says text path, you can get rid of the your product, your name, delete this. Oh, make sure you don't delete any of the arrows at the beginning or the end. You want to just delete this middle section here. And then I'm just going to put in my name for this video. Great, click save. And as you can see, it's just changed my name there. Right, the exact same thing here. If you want to change any of these, just double click them and you can change them here to any logos that you've imported. Let's go to a moving section. So this section here is made up from different canvas views. Canvas views are essentially the different views that you can see when you use these arrows. These arrows here are set up via the click actions section. So on here, as you can see, the arrows are set to go to the next canvas view. This means that when you click this button, you will go to view 2, view 3, and view 4. The same as all the other sections, all you need to do is go in here, edit out any of the text, delete it, add in anything that you want, and then it will save it. And you can do the same for view 1, view 2, and view 3. Right, so in this section here, the image is actually in the background. So what you need to do here is go over to the right-hand side where you've got Canvas, scroll down to the second tab, and you've got Canvas background. All you need to do is click your image here, click the image that you want it to change to, and it will pull it in as the background image. As you can see here, this image has cut off my head. So what you want to do is move the position. Let's go top center, and there you go, you can see. That's not probably the best image to use as a background, but you could always make this bigger here so you can see more of your picture. All you need to do that is drag this line here, and it changes the size of the canvas that you're working in. All right, let's go to a different page. So if you go to the services page here, we've got this section which changes colour automatically on the page. All you need to do to change the colour of this section, if wanted, is to select the text, go to text style, go to inline links, and you can change the colour there. Then to change the next section, let's say we'll leave that one pink, and to change the last one, just go to view 3 in the canvas views, select your text and change it to another colour. And like so, that's all changed. It's set to 0.5 auto advanced view, so this will change colours automatically. As you're editing your website and you're changing your images, your copy, it's always good to go see and preview what it will look like on your website. So to do that, all you need to do is go into the right-hand corner up here, click preview. You can either preview it here, you can click mobile to preview it here, or you can click this URL, which takes your website into a new tab. And as you can see, we've just changed those colours and it's automatically working through those. Viewing a website like this is really good to be able to see what it will look like on different size screens if you're on a laptop, tablet or iMac. And you can also view your mobile here. So when editing mobile and desktop, you can either view them both on the same page here, or if you just want to edit one on your screen and one go, come down to the bottom here. You've got show mobile and desktop, you've got show mobile only, and you've got show desktop only. As I'm editing on an iMac, I prefer to have them both on my screen at once because there's enough room, but on smaller screens, you'll probably just want to edit with one only. One thing to bear in mind when editing mobile and desktop is that some sections on our templates are designed separately, so the desktop and the mobile section will look different. This means that if you change any of the fonts and colours on mobile, you'll also need to check that they haven't changed on the desktop or have changed if you want them to. Right, and now we're going to move on to blogs. So within Showit, your blog is made in WordPress. So what you need to do is go to your site settings and you've got your blog here. You need to set up your blog to WordPress. Once that's all set up, it will show you how to do that once you click that button. All you need to do is come to your blog section here, the exact same as if you were building a page. Come in, change your text, change the colours, change the images, anything you want to change on that page, and your blog posts will automatically get pulled through. If you go over to the single post page here, this is what your post will look like. You can change your fonts, and then once you've made your post, your blog post in WordPress, this will automatically get pulled through and it will update it to your website. If you click preview, you'll be able to see what it looks like on your site, like so. So the categories that you've got here, all you need to do to edit those is to come to the category title, and you need to go to click actions, and then next to category here, you can type the category that you've set on WordPress that you want to show in this box. The rest of the page automatically will be pulled through from WordPress, except from the side section here, which is the sidebar. And to edit that, you just need to go to page, click sidebar here, click edit sidebar, and you can edit anything you want it to say here. And that will automatically update on every single page that you have your blog on. Once your site is fully done and you've edited everything exactly how you want to, you need to go here, you need to put in your domain, and you can publish your site. Right, and that is everything that I wanted to go through today in this Showit tutorial. I hope this has been really helpful, and I cannot wait to see you guys transforming your online presence with one of our templates. As always, we'd absolutely love to see anything you make with one of our templates. So please tag us on social media, on Instagram and LinkedIn, and get in contact if you guys have any questions or if you need any support with one of your templates. All the best, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.